welcome to All About. Today we're going to talk about Y17. I use this one a lot, not as much as my Y21, Y23, because they're more creamy, but if you want something vibrant and sunny, this will be it. For the bonus combination, we are using Y17 and then all the way to R08. Now, the little space that we have in, oops, can you see it? In this, which is this one, it's tiny. So it doesn't look the best when I do it there. So what I did is I got another piece of paper in the middle of the recording, another piece of paper so you could see it in a bigger scale. Super Rebel combination from yellow all the way to red, which will be perfect for red with yellow flowers. Or this butterfly. I colored this butterfly. This is the one you're gonna see in our graphics for this week. It's also from Michelle Houghton, and the link to her store is going to be in the description box. I'm Elena with violetaink.com, and we sell Copic Markers, Copic refills, nibs, Prismacolor pencils. That's it, I think. That's pretty much all we sell. Anyway, I should know what we sell by now, but I still struggle every time. Anyway, thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Let me know in the description box. Did you like this combination? And how about the bonus combination? Bye. For a moment there, I thought we're not gonna have it all about. My microphone was not working. It's working now. Anyway, we're gonna start with the Y17. On top of it was Y15, and this is Y13. We are underpainting with BV000. On top of it is going to be Y17, Y15, as soon as I find it, Y15, and Y13. Big difference between Y17 and Y15. All the orange feel that I get from Y17 is all gone in Y15. Now this is the bonus combination. It is long, so here it goes. We started with BV000. This is Y17. On top of it is Y15. And we're ending it with Y13. We're going to start now from the other side. This is R08. Make sure that you have the correct marker in your hand. That was R08. Now R05. And this is R02. Why is it that R02 is the only one? Is the one below R05? I don't know, because they don't blend that well. On top of it, I am going to use more of the Y13. My idea is so it blends better. You just need to give it a little bit of time. Now, because it's so small, and I'm used to working larger scale, we're going to start in this big piece of paper. So this is BV000. Sorry about the camera, it's just trying to adjust because I'm moving so much, but I didn't know that at the moment. So this is Y17. On top of it, I'm going slow because I want to make sure that I have enough ink to do all this blend. Now Y15, don't worry, it gets better at, the camera. Now I am swishing here just so I can make sure that it's blending better. This is Y13, and it goes on top of everybody. And I'm switching to. Now from the other edge, we're going to start with R08. Flicking fast. Now because I don't want that much ink, I don't want that much R08. This is R05. Blends beautifully until we go to R02. Too wimpy. But it goes well, it blends well with Y13, which is why this combination works. Now I'm switching here, depositing as much ink as I can, and then on top of it, we're gonna go with Y13 again. Same purpose, more ink, it will blend better. So I scanned it, and this is how it looks. BV000, we start on the left side. On top of it, Y17, Y15, and Y13. Now from the other edge, we start with R08, R05, and R02. In the middle they meet, Y13 and Y02. They have to go one on top of the other, and then the other on top of the first one. You could underpaint with R08, use the B32 maybe to underpaint that, but that was not the lesson this time. But you could if you wanted to. So for the Prismacolor Pencil match, we are using PC916 Canary Yellow. I wanted a very yellow base because I knew I needed to add a little bit of orange. I see orange in Y17. It's a warm yellow. So I'm pressing pretty hard with Canary Yellow, and then very lightly with PC1002 Yellow Orange. As you can see, as much as you go, it will start getting warmer and warmer. I think that at this moment I should have stopped. Oh, I stopped. Yay! Okay, so and then I tried, what if I start with yellow orange? And then as soon as I saw it, and I'm like, no, that's way too warm. It's just way too warm. So now we're going to start with the butterfly. Remember that the two top wings go without underpainting. So this is Y17. We're flicking away from the edge. Y15 on top of it. And then Y13. Very slow because I wanted to blend. You don't have to go so slow. I just overachiever. Now I'm back blending just so it looks nice. Now we're gonna underpaint with BV000. On top of it, we're going with Y17. All messy, but it's going. Then Y15. You can see the big change here, how underpainting shows as if the bottom wing is on the bottom, like the top wing is on top. Okay, let's continue. This is Y17, Y15, and I'm going very short because we have so many markers here. And then Y13. Now we're going to start from the other edge, which is R08. Now this poor butterfly is not going to win a beauty contest. It's just not enough space to blend. So like right now you can see it's already touching, like R05 was already touching Y13. And I tried not to. And this is R02. It's going all the way to Y15, which is not what I wanted. And that is why I made the demonstration earlier. Now we're going to underpaint the bottom one, which is smaller, and now we're going to use more markers. So we're going to start with BV 000. Maybe I shouldn't have done this, just because it really does not look very well. But then I feel like it's not complete. Like the video has to have this. That was Y17, Y15. And then on top of it is Y13 to finish it. And look at that tiny bitty space. We're going to use ROA. Because my OCD will not allow me to start with RO5. No, no. We have to do ROA. Because that's what the recipe says. And we're going to finish with RO2. Not blending, too small. Use this in a bigger image. Going on top of it, trying to fix it. And I'm thinking, whoa, really? It's not getting fixed. And the staining test. Why I keep doing this, I don't know. Just, again, we started doing it, and now it will feel weird if we just remove it. So, there it is. It doesn't remove it. All about Y17. The natural family combination is a Y17, Y15, and Y13. We're underpainting with BV 000. The bonus combination is underpainted with BV 000, then Y17, Y15, Y13. On the other side, we start with RO8, RO5, and RO2. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification button and the little heart saying that you love this video. I will see you next week. Bye.